Hey, what's up everyone? Nomadic Gaijin here. It's been a while since I've done one of my short videos, JapanBytes, and today I'm going to be talking about Japan's obsession with miniature things. If you've never seen a gacha machine, in America we have a sort of type of that, but it's really small, and there's usually only a couple, at least when I was a kid, but in Japan they're all over the place, and here's an example of one right here. And I'm going to open this. This one was a food one. I really wanted that gyoza. I thought that looked pretty cool. You can take each little individual gyoza out. This one is gratin, and you can open it too and take out the stuff inside. This one's not much you can do with it other than, I guess, take it out. Yeah. I thought this looked pretty cool. This is actually what gave me the idea to do this video, is miniature vending machine. And just like a lot of these miniature items, they're interactive to some degree. So this one, it has a bunch of generic drinks in it, and then if you press the button right here, and then you can open the glass up, or the plastic up, I guess I should say, and you can get the little drink out. It's tiny. I was so excited for a little vending machine. It's like, that's cool. And I got a box of grape soda. I was a little bit of a disappointment because, you know, it's advertising that you can use a little vending machine, and all I got was grape soda. But I guess you get a whole bunch of little drinks you can put in the machine. So, I mean, hey, that's cool. Sometimes they work together like that. If you like family restaurants in Japan, you can get the drink vendor. This thing it comes with a little cup too. All this stuff is so tiny. The drink vendor. Now this thing, you just pop in a drink, and all the drinks, it's a generic, so cheerful cola, but it looks just like Coke, and then diet cheerful cola, and a few Minute Maid looking drinks that are called puree. That's funny. You can press the button too. Nothing happens obviously, but you can press all the buttons. I'm not sure what kid would be real excited for this. Like, yeah, it's a coin laundry washing machine. But maybe someone would be. They come in all the colors of a 50s burger restaurant, but, and I don't know, I've been to a few coin laundries, I've never seen these colors, but hey, that's cool, gotta spice it up somehow. The door opens and closes, and if you reach inside, you can actually move the drum. It's an exciting point on the top of the gacha machine. A record player and a couple other music things, as you can see in the picture. The prize though, the grand prize here, is the whole stereo system, which is what I wanted, and probably anyone who will drop 500 yen here actually wants. And that's what I got. Very, very rare, but that's what I got. It comes with speakers. Now the speakers, the actual speaker cover comes off and you can see the inside, and they've got the wiring in the back just like how it should be. You have to shake it a little bit, but the CD actually comes out. From a time when people used these. And it also came with a little tiny remote control. So you can pretend like you're playing some music. At 500 yen though, I would assume that it would actually play some music, so that part was a little disappointing, but that's about it. Alright, one of my secret dreams is to be Godzilla terrorizing the people of Tokyo, but instead of actually attacking or eating people, serving them ice cream. I don't know, and I'm sure we've all had a dream like that. All the various ones don't seem all that different, but it looks like you can take out the ice cream itself and rearrange it and put other ones in, and then you've got the open so you can show them, and you got the back so you get the display, and then you can just kind of scoop in there and serve it out, this imaginary ice cream. That's good. All right, this next one is where I started to feel like things here might not always be for children. It's the beer server. I don't know if this is, it doesn't really do much. The reason it comes to the tube, if you're lucky, like the grape soda with the vending machine, you can get a keg, and this will actually plug into the keg. Now I would think that this is not going to be in like a kids area, but it's right next to an Ultraman. I mean, check the guy out. He's like, go for some beer, kids. So they had all these different bread products. I wanted the sliced bread, but you know, you get what you get. This one is the breadsticks. The back has all the nutrition info, shrunk, but it looks legit to me. On the keychain itself, on this little chain itself, is a bread clip, a Pasco bread clip. I saw that it had twisty ties, so I was like, okay, that's cool. Does that mean I can actually take this bread out? Yes, they went into that much detail that you can actually take out the breadsticks. They're squishy. So that's neat. Okay. So this is a tiny cheeseburger set. I've seen these a few times where they're gummies or other things, but this one is actually, you can make it. You can make the bun, and you have to cut it. You make the burger patties, make the French fries and cut them as well. And it comes with a little Coke, like fizzy powder pack. So you get a whole burger set, a double cheeseburger, a regular cheeseburger, fries, and a Coke for under 100 calories and about $2 US. I'm gonna enjoy my tiny meal here. This is like the single dude living in a tiny apartment in Tokyo meal right here. I got that is cute. Look at that. Yeah, I think it's kind of a cool little like subculture here, and I actually wouldn't mind starting to collect these kind of things or find them along the way. So I'll start keeping an eye out, and if I get enough, I'll show you guys in another video. But I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.